Hi friends, good morning. This is your Prakash and hope you all doing good. And from the last few videos we have discussed about some home remedies for jaundice and how to maintain your weight like that. And today we are going to discuss about how to control our body without taking medicine for any diseases. For example, if it is a diabetics, if it is a blood pressure or some other common issues in our body. So please listen this video carefully and please don't try to skip this video also, because once you see this video clearly you have an idea to how to control your body and how to control your diseases without taking medicine, and we can cure it by natural way. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please try to subscribe my channel and press the bell button, and when I am posting this video it will helps to show you, and you can see the various kinds of video and you will get the good benefit from my videos, and you will get the some good recipes, and you can get some important message regarding your health and home remedies also. So today I am going to discuss about how to avoid the tablets for various kind of disease in our regular life. The first point, you have to stimulate your body in a right way. So why the diabetes will come? Because when you are taking the food too much, but you don't have body work, you are sit and work in your office like that. So there is a various kind of messages will be there regarding the diabetics. So first of all, once you wake up at the early morning, brush your teeth and take a one glass of warm water in your empty stomach. It will clean your digestive system. And second, once you wake up, please sit for minimum 5 to 10 minutes and close your eyes and keep your mind calm once you wake up. That is the very important message I am giving to you all, because it will helps for you to keep the mind in a correct way and for whole days. And after that, once you take a warm water, give a break for 30 to 40 minutes. After that you can take a glass of green tea, or you can take whatever it is, fresh juices, anything, because some people is taking the lemon juice at the early morning, some people is taking the green tea like that. If you taking the green tea, you can add some ginger and mint leaves along with that. It will help to digest, it will clear your digestion also. And try to go for walking. It will help to control your blood pressure and sugar level in your body. Keep smiling in at all the moment. If it is whatever that happens in our life, in our daily routine things, what are the tensions we are facing, be a stressless life. Keep on smile at the time of, please in the tension, please try to get out from that stress. That is also one way of good energy to our mind. The mind should be always in the calm mood. It should not be in the stress always. If you be in stress, it's automatically become a blood pressure. And third, take your green vegetables, boiled vegetables. Take your fiber, protein, and vitamin, minerals most in your daily meals. Try to do meditation. Calm your mind. It will also helps to away from the various kinds of disease and mental disorders and stress, whatever it is. And try to eat the food at the correct time. That is very important. The morning, lunch, and dinner, the time should be taking the food should be very correct, and you has to be follow the timing. That is also very very important. And one more thing, don't try to take the food by standing or sitting in the tables like this. Please try to sit in the floor and try to eat. It is also help to digest your body. And one more thing, take a minimum 8 hours deep sleep. Before you going to sleep, please try to avoid your mobiles or some other TVs, etc. So before you sleep, also please try to calm your mind and try to do meditation for few minutes, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Once if you do that one, you will get a peaceful sleep. If you follow this one regularly in your routine life, automatically your uh, uh, blood pressure and sugar control should become to normal. So in this video, what are the things I am told to you? Please try to follow from tomorrow, and please give me your feedback. I am eagerly waiting for your comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for support for growing me in YouTube. Thank you all.